The following is a paid commercial program paid for by Restoration Health. The opinions and views expressed in this program belong to its sponsors and are not those of this station or their affiliates or their employees.
According to the Centers for Disease Control, 10.5% of people in the U.S. have diabetes. If you have diabetes and have diabetic nerve pain, today's guest has some valuable information for you. With us today is Dr. Keith Beachy from Restoration Health right here in Little Rock. Dr. Beachy, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much for having me.
Today we're talking about diabetic nerve pain. What is that?
So diabetic nerve pain is essentially diabetic neuropathy. Diabetic neuropathy is a very serious condition that affects about 50% of people that have diabetes. With that, nerve cells are damaged or eventually even destroyed due to consistently high levels of blood sugar. This leads to symptoms of numbness, tingling, or even a burning sensation in the hands or feet.
It sounds extremely uncomfortable. How do you all treat that at Restoration Health?
So we treat our patients using the most advanced state-of-the-art FDA-cleared technology that focuses on electrical cell signaling and sends that throughout the entire body. That in turn helps accelerate the natural healing process in the body and starts to repair those damaged nerves and tissues.
Is it possible to reverse this nerve damage?
It's a great question. So in many cases, we're able to treat and even reverse the nerve damage as long as it hasn't reached 85% or higher. Now, with anybody with nerve damage, the first thing you should do is be evaluated and then diagnosed. With diabetic nerve pain or diabetic neuropathy, though, if it's left untreated, it can lead to some very serious consequences. We're talking so serious to where people can be confined to a walker or a wheelchair, or even people end up losing limbs as a result.
Wow. Maybe is it something that people think may just go away, or I'll just brush it off, or can it start out that way and then if you don't get help?
Absolutely.
Okay.
So a lot of people just start to notice the symptoms in the very beginning, and a lot of people do the sit and wait game. Unfortunately, though, that doesn't always fix the problem, and what we see is that symptoms actually start to progress and start to intensify over time as that nerve damage starts to progress as well.
Okay, so we've got a special offer for viewers today. Listen up, it is a neuropathy special for $49. Tell us about that.
So what we provide in our office is a personal consultation and exam, including diagnostic testing specific to neuropathy and a report of findings. The exam that we do in our office is so thorough that we can narrow down to the exact percentage how much sensory loss a person has in their hands or feet, or both. Then from there, we create an individualized treatment plan for each patient based on their results.
Individualized, so important, especially when it comes down to our health. Okay, so you've got a lot of great top doctors out there at Restoration Health, and you treat other things. It's not just neuropathy and diabetic nerve pain. What else do you all do at Restoration Health?
Correct. So we get fantastic results with neuropathy, but we also specialize in back pain, in knee pain, neck pain, headaches, by evaluating the nerves and nervous system throughout the entire body. We have patients that travel hours from all over the state to come get relief.
And one of the things that you pride yourselves on is you all don't do medicine or surgery out there, right?
Correct. We pride ourselves on not being a pill mill. So we try to address the root cause of people's problems or their issues. Once we start to address those root causes, a lot of the times our bodies start to heal and our symptoms go away.
Science is pretty cool.
It is.
It's pretty cool. Okay, Dr. Beachy, thank you so much for all of that information.
Thank you.
Hey, if you or someone you know suffers from neuropathy, call that number on your screen. You can call now and get that $49 neuropathy special, and it's for the first 25 callers only, so don't hesitate. Call 501-400-7700. Give them a call if they can help you. Thanks for joining us.
At Restoration Health, we pride ourselves on not being a pill mill. We treat our patients without the use of medications or drugs, no injections, and no surgeries. We focus on regenerating the nerves or blood vessels that are dying by using electrical cell signaling.